Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of acid halides, acyl halides. An acid halide is named by replacing the ic acid ending of the parent carboxylic acid with -yl halide as the common retained name, but the systematic IUPAC name uses the term carbonyl halide as a suffix to the parent hydrocarbon name. Moving on to the next step. Identify the compound. C6H5COCl is phenyl carbonyl chloride, i.e., it consists of a benzene ring, C6H5 attached to a COCl, carbonyl chloride, group. Moving on to the next step. Determine the systematic IUPAC name. The parent structure is benzene. The functional group COCl is named as carbonyl chloride in IUPAC nomenclature as a principal characteristic group suffix. Combining benzene plus carbonyl chloride is equal to benzene carbonyl chloride. And for the final step, evaluate each option. A. Benzol chloride. This is the common trivial name, not the systematic IUPAC name. B. Benzene chloroketone. Incorrect. COCl is an acid chloride, not a ketone, and chloroketone is not a valid designation here. C. Benzene carbonyl chloride. This is the correct systematic IUPAC name, using carbonyl chloride as the suffix for the COCl group attached to benzene. D. Chlorophenyl ketone. Incorrect. This misidentifies the functional group as a ketone. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.